Hey guys, thank you for watching my videos in T3 Cloud. Today I'm going to show you a very interesting topic which is Ansible, and everybody who knows it's like a automation tool, IT automation tool which can be used for the configuration management, application deployment, and especially this tool is completely using in DevOps as much it's a very good tool, simple tool, and it's very flexible and agentless tool. Okay, so today I'm going to show you how you can install a Ansible and how you can control number of nodes using Ansible. So let's take, before I'll start, I'll say some example like suppose you are working as a Unix administrator and you are planning to have your all environments automatic. Let me see, suppose you are planning to install any package in number of systems, let's say 5 systems. So what you have to do, you have to take the control, like you have to do the SSH, then log in it, install the package, log out it, then take another system remote, then take another system remote. So it's kind of manual job, like one by one we have to do. So what if you want to install the same package in all 5 minutes at a time? In that case, Ansible will help you to do that, and this is a very good tool. Whenever you will learn it, definitely get interest to do a lot of automations. So today I'm not gonna to show any modules here. Today I'm gonna to show you only ping pong module, which is to check the connection test, and later my video will come all the modules all the modules I'll come one by one modules. So no worries, if you are really interested, you can subscribe my channel for the more updates. And yeah, so without any delay, we will start it. Okay, so this is my Ansible controller, and yes, if I want to see how can before that, so let me see like whether Ansible is installed or not. So to do that, Ansible -version, and I can see my in my system Ansible is already installed. So how can I install? If you want to install, nothing but you have to do yum install Ansible. Okay, so it is already installed. Is telling nothing to do that, so no worries. If you want to install it, so you guys can go here, this particular document which is called docs.ansible.com. in this particular document you can find it. This is what the process they have given here. Like if you want to install Ansible on Red Hat, CentOS, Fedora, Ubuntu, Debian, all those things. So now I install my Ansible in my CentOS server. So I just click CentOS, and here you can see installing Ansible on Red Hat, CentOS or Fedora, and or Red Hat and CentOS. You can run this particular command and you can install it. And if you're getting an error, you can comment me in my comment section, so definitely I'll reply you on time. Okay, this is how you have to install it. And before that, if you want to see like what is my particular server name, you can do a cat etc, and I can do a release. So in that particular command I can see what exactly my system says. My system is CentOS. So you check first your system, and according to that you go to the Ansible and do select the option here. For my case it is CentOS, so I click on CentOS. So let's say if you are using Ubuntu, you can click on Ubuntu and you can install it. And once you install it, so what we can do here, we have successfully installed the Ansible. Now I need to check my all these nodes. You can see I have 5 nodes available with me. So if I want to, and these 5 nodes, if I want to ping it, so I have to take the IP address or host name. But as of now I have my IP addresses. So once Ansible is installed, you can check the Ansible details, etc and Ansible. Sorry, it's my bad. Okay, and clear the screen, do ls, and you can see after the Ansible installation I have 3 files here. One is Ansible configuration file, host file, and the roles. These 2 files are very important files. Okay, let's go and check my host file. If I'll go and check my host file, I have created an inventory which is called linux-host, and in that inventory I have added my 5 Unix systems. So why I have added it, I just want to control those 5 instances from my Ansible from my Ansible server. So that is why I created one inventory here, and my inventory name is linux-host, and this hosts this particular systems are coming under this particular inventory. Okay, so now let me close this, or can clear my screen. Okay, so this is what I clear it. And if you want to do that, okay, so let's say okay, etc and Ansible and host. Okay, so let me check whether I'm able to do the SSH to this particular host or not. So ssh-122.2223.162, and it's asking me, yeah, successfully I have logged in it. Okay, and if I'll do ipconfig, I can see my IP here because this is my node IP. So I'm able to successfully log into the 162. So let's try again for the another one, which is called, okay, do exit here, and you can see connection has been closed from this particular IP, and now I'm in my Ansible server. So you can also try these IPs, and every IPs are also working. So ssh-122.2223.161, yes, I logged in. So if I exit it, I can see the connection to 23.161 is closed. So let me do again, which is called 192.195, and I can see successful login. If I do exit here, I can see my connection has been closed. And let me check another one, which is called 151. So 23.151, okay, logged in successfully. Let's exit. And the now and another one is like 151 146, yeah, in 146 22.146, yes, successfully logged in. So for me, I'm able to do SSH connection from my Ansible without any issue. And if you have any issue like how to do SSH, and that description I'll put in my description, you can go there, you can check it, how to create a SSH key zone, and that particular public key, how you can copy to the nodes. You can do that. Once you copy the id.id_rsa.pob file, then you can communicate with the other machine without any issue. Okay, so this is what I did it, and the steps I'll mention in my description list. You guys can go there and can check it out. If you have any issue, immediately you can post a comment, so that I'll come back again and right time, and I will tell you the process how you can do that. This is what the Ansible controller I have installed in my this. Okay, so now if I want to ping all my 5 nodes, how can I do? If I want to check my nodes are pinging or not, so what I have to do, simple command, everybody knows that. If let's talk about, like, I'll go for 23.161. if I'll do enter, I can see I'm getting response from 161, like, yes, instance is running and it's ready to connect to you, or is okay. This means instance is okay, means it is a network and you are able to ping that. Okay, and if I want to, let me cancel this. Okay, I canceled it. Okay, so if I want to ping other nodes, how can I do that? This is what all my nodes are there. So if I want to ping everything, it's a problem for me. Like, every time I have to type ping space IP address, give enter, all those things I have to do. But is now I will do that within a single step. Okay, this is what I call, which this is what we can do in the Ansible. Okay, let's say how we can do it. So now I am there in my Ansible server. If I type pwd, I'm inside my root folder, and here you remember I added this host details in my Ansible inventory. Let's see how exactly looks. Cat etc Ansible, then host, give enter, and I have created this inventory. Okay, so remember this is my inventory name, which is called Linux host. So clear my screen. Now if I want to ping, if I want to check whether all 5 nodes are pinging or not, RAMs, I can do it. This is what I want to tell you here. This very easy command is called Ansible, and my host is Linux host. This is my inventory name, and the module I'm using the ping command, and give enter. And now you can see It's telling some invalid characters were found, but no worries. You can see the ping pong request every machine is success. That means all my 5 instances are pinging each other, or these all 5 instances are in network. They are not shut down. If one of them is any problem, then definitely will get an error there key unable to reach. Okay, so let's do one thing. I'll go here my node 1. I will do a reboot here. Let me see. I did a reboot and go here and run my command again. You can see one of my host is unreachable because it is not in network. Either it's shut down, it's restarting, whatever it is. So now you guys can see here key, if one machine is not pinging, that means it is down. So you guys also can monitor all the machines here. So this is what I did using a normal command which is called Ansible, then Linux host, then module name is called ping. Okay, so here you can do the pinging and you can see my 162 node is not pinging. Okay, I think it will come back later, no problem. Let me try again and see. Okay, and you can see my 162 node is came back. So all my instances are fine. They are pinging to each other and they are in network and turned on, no issues. But if I want to ping those machines using my playbook, this is what I started command what I use in my Ansible, but let me do one thing which is called playbook, the one which will help you to do a lot of automations as per your requirement in the IT infrastructure. So let me clear the screen, and if I ls I can see here okay, I have a playbook directory here, and here nothing I have done it. So let me create a playbook here, and to do the playbook, let me I used to use the very good this one, what do you say, the tool which is called Atom, I think so, Atom, yeah. So using this I need to type the playbook here, and then I'll copy this command and paste it there, and let's see how it works. Now I just want to ping the playbook name. I gave like ping.yaml. Okay, so I need to type it. So my name is connection test. Okay, let's me the connection test now. And for what in particular, which particular machines you are planning to test the connection. So my host is called Linux-host. This is what Linux-host. So from where I got it this, if I can go here and go to the cat and etc Ansible, okay, and host, you can see this is my inventory. So I have to give Linux-host. Okay, and what tax I'm going to run here. So nothing but I'm going to run the ping test. So I'll give this tax name as called ping test, and to ping the machine and to ping or to check a connection request for the Ansible, we are using the module called ping module. Okay, that's it. And copy this, go to the system here, go to my playbook cd playbook. Okay, and let me create a playbook which is called ping.yaml, right? So my favorite editor is nano ping, and let me paste it here. I successfully pasted my ping command, ping playbook command, save it. Now I successfully created a playbook to test the connection request in between all these nodes. Okay, node 1, node 2, node 3, node 4, node 5. Earlier you remember I used to do only this Ansible, then Linux host, then my ping module. I used to check like this, but now I created a playbook. So my playbook will help me to check the connection request, connection string status. So let me do that. So if I do ls, I can see my ping YAML file is available here, and the command is called Ansible playbook, and my playbook name and give enter, and let's see. And connections have started, gathering facts started. Okay, let's see. Okay, pings has started. Oh my god, see, yeah, we are okay with the playbook. That means playbook is working fine, perfectly. You can see here all the hosts are okay, and you can see the status over here, the play recap. In the menu you can find it, failed is 0, skipped 0, require 0, ignored 0, everything is 0. Now let me do that. Let me this particular machine, let me okay, no problem. Alright, so it's getting connected. Okay, this is, let me do Kubernetes. So this is my one of the host. Okay, let me do reboot here. I just rebooted it. Let me play the again playbook, and I should get one. Yes, can see my one of my machine is unreachable because I did the restart. And here you can see my playbook give a result, final result here, like this machine is not reachable, it's unreachable. Okay, because I did the restart. So here you can test a ping using the Ansible. So this is the how you can control number of machines or number of unique hosts from the Ansible. And this is only what I did for ping pong text. Okay, but later on that I'll come every day with one, not every day, but yes, of course I will come. I'll try to come in every day with a one what I say, with the one module, and you guys can enjoy it. Okay, so this is what completely how exactly the Ansible works. But sure, let's subscribe and like and share my channel if you like it. And also, this is not enough, also if you have any comments, if you have any suggestion, if you have any requirements, definitely put it in my comment box. I will definitely come back on time and we'll do the necessary. Okay, so thank you for watching my channel. Happy learning.